Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you will be speaking Mandarin just like a native. This week, my student Emma is learning another important complement, potential complement. Potential complement is formed with verb plus de plus a resultative complement, suggesting the verb is able to achieve the result of the action. 看得见 can see. 得见 here is potential complement. 看见 to see, which we learned in last video. 见 is resultative complement. Now we are going to compare the negative form of resultative complement and the potential complement. The negative form of resultative complement is 没有看见 didn't see. The negative form of potential complement is 看不见 cannot see or couldn't see. So it's very clear, one is using 没有, one is use 不 to negate. It's clear that resultative complements focus on the result of the verb action, while potential complements focus on whether an action is achievable or not. Emma then said to me, potential complement sounds similar to 能 or 可以 in meaning. They all indicate having an ability to do something. That's absolutely correct. 你看得见吗？你能看见吗？你可以看见吗？ These three sentences have the same meaning in Chinese. Can you see? Emma then asked me another good question. I have also learned another de structure in the past. I'm wondering what is the difference between them. That de structure I'm talking about is something like 她说中文说得很好 She speaks Chinese very well. I see. The proper name for that structure is called complement of degree. It comments on the verb action and can be further modified by adverbs such as 很, 非常, 太, etc. The above sentence can also be said, 她说中文说得非常好 She speaks Chinese extremely well. A negative statement will be something like 她说中文说得不好 Pay attention here. In the negative statement, the is still being kept. When there is an object with the verb in the complement of degree structure, the object needs to be put before the 她说中文说得非常好 She speaks Chinese extremely well. So 中文 object is before the. Also, we place the stress on the words 很好 非常好 or 不好她说中文说得很好她说中文说得非常好她说中文说得不好 But in the potential complement structure, it is different. The object is placed after the resultative complement. 你看得见我吗？所以我 is after 见 Can you see me? Here we put the stress on the verb. 你看得见我吗？ I hope this video is making sense to you. In my online course, I have exercises, readings, and vocabulary building on potential complement. If you would like to know more about my course, please send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!